In this video, I will guide you on how to screenshot someone's profile picture on WhatsApp. Now, if you want to screenshot someone's profile picture, you won't be able to do that on the WhatsApp on your phone. So you have to use your PC or laptop. Now open up any web browser and head over to WhatsApp web, or you can also use the WhatsApp application. Now you simply want to log into your account. You can do that using the QR code, or you can also log in using your mobile number. After that, open the chat. Now click on their profile icon. Now open their profile icon in this way. Right click and click on the copy image option. Now open the Paint app on your PC or laptop. Go ahead and paste that picture over here. Now you can directly save this by clicking on the file option and then save, or you can use the snipping tool on your laptop or PC and simply take a screenshot from here. In this way, you can screenshot someone's profile picture on WhatsApp, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.